Hi everyone, greetings. It's your girl once again, Princess Clitin on Real Inspiration. What do we get to do on Real Inspiration? We get to unleash the real you. Okay, so I'm about to start up something on YouTube. I'm sure it's going to help someone out there. It's going to help us use social media to our advantage and properly. You know, I actually go on live streams and I learn a lot of things that we don't know and we're not using, and it's not helping us. So most of the times what I realized is those people who are talking on live streams, actually they say it, and it's kind of difficult for some people, especially those in Africa, to get to watch a 3 hours video, a 3 hours live session, a 1 hour live session. Well, YouTube actually takes a lot of data as compared to other social media platforms. So sometimes I just know, like I know that some people won't watch the video to that part where they're explaining this beautiful tip on how to use YouTube, they're explaining this beautiful tip on how to take off comments, how to get monetized, and all those kinds of things. It could be YouTube, it could be Facebook, it could be Twitter, it could be Instagram. So I get an opportunity to be on this lives, and I can stay there for as long as I can. And so I decided that I'm going to be doing short videos. Recently, I'm going to be doing short videos on those tips that can help you get better at using social media. It could be YouTube, it could be Facebook, it could be Twitter. There are things like two-step notifications where you can use them and then no one gets to easily hack into your accounts. I know about that for Facebook and WhatsApp. Originally it was just WhatsApp, but I know about it for Facebook, so I'm gonna do a demo for it. I also know about taking off comments. You know, they're live videos and it affects your analytics when you're on YouTube and someone comes to your YouTube channel and watches a live video without making a comment and doesn't stay on there for 15 minutes. And there are all those tips and all those things that are happening on YouTube and on other social media platforms that we really don't know. And when we go on these live streams, we get to meet these big YouTubers, big Facebookers, big Zuckervillas, IG, Instagram people. We get to realize that there are lots of things that we're doing that are detrimental to us, and some things that we're not doing that are supposed to be advantageous to us, but because we don't know about them. So I'm going to be bringing them. I normally post videos on Tuesdays mostly, but right now with these tips, depending on how important and urgent they are, I could get to post maybe on the Tuesdays or any other day within the week. So we're not going to have specific days for those videos, but they're going to be coming up as much as they are available and as important as they are. That's how they're going to be coming up. So the first one we're definitely going to do is how to create a broadcast list. One, a virtual market. Social media is a virtual market. You have to share and share and share just as much as if you have a business, you're going to go all around the world and show people, right? If you have the opportunity. And this is it, at your beck and call. You could be in someone's bedroom, you could be in someone's living room, you could access someone as easily as possible on social media. So make good use of it. Yes, that's what this journey is going to be all about, and it's going to be you and I on it. Until next time, I'm Princess Clitin, Queen of Hearts and Smiles. If you've not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. This is an amazing family. We love each other here, and we give each other the opportunity to be the best of them, to be themselves and become the best versions that they are supposed to be. Yeah? Bye-bye.